Understand? You multiply minus, outside minus. Same value you got no answer. Question input to answer the value. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Cofactor find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಿ whole transpose ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೌದಾ ಚೂರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ whole transpose ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 0 ಈ ಕಡೆ 0 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ First row, first column close, cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. First row, second column close 0. First row, third column 0. Second row, first column 0. Second row, second column minus cos alpha. Second row, third column sin alpha. This is sin alpha. Bantala given question. Row and column close ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Corresponding row and column we can close. Okay. Do it first.
Sir, minus sin alpha ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಾನೆ?
ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೈನಸ್ sin alpha ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And here plus both. Correct no?
Yes, sir.
Adjoint of here cofactor of a whole transpose. Cofactor ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ sin alpha ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ A inverse formula adjoint of a determinant of A. Determinant of A I find out 1 into close row column minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Take minus common cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Adjoint of a formula cofactor of a whole transpose. How to find cofactor means close corresponding round column minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha 0 0 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha whole transpose. This is how much if you take minus common cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1 so minus 1 0 0 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha which is minus will come. Next 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha. A inverse adjoint of a determinant of a determinant of a value minus 1. So divided by minus 1 if you do means all positive terms become negative, negative terms become positive. Understand? Do it everyone. Do it everyone. Important question. Concentrate. Complete everyone. Complete everyone?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Twelfth question. A is equal to 3725. B is equal to 6879. Verify AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. How to solve this question first means, first you find A inverse. What is A inverse formula? 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus CA. 1 by 15 minus 14 into D means 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. 15 minus 14, 1. So 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. This is A inverse value. B inverse. B inverse also same formula. 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus CA. 1 by 6 9s are 54, 7 8s are 56. D minus B minus CA. Correct now? You will get minus 2, divide here. Minus 1 by 2 into 9 minus 8 minus 7, 6. Oh, okay. Now you can multiply AB. Or B inverse into A inverse you multiply. Later. AB you multiply. First row into first column. 3 6 are 18 plus 7 7 are 49. First row into second column. 3 8 are 24, 7 9 are 63. First row, second row, first column. 12 plus 5 7 are 35. You know multiplication now. Second row, second column. 2 8 are 16, 5 9 are 45. 18 plus 49, 67, 87, 47, 61. AB whole inverse. 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus CA. What is the answer? 67 into 61. How much? Anyone? Minus 47 into 87. 67 into 61. How much? Anyone say answer first? 67 into 61. Hemant, are you there? Videsh?
4087.
4087, huh? Minus 47 into 87.
Sir, 4089.
Exactly. 4089. 61 minus 87 minus 47, 67. Minus 1 by 2 into 61 minus 87 minus 47, 67. This is AB whole inverse value. Okay. Now, B inverse into A inverse also we can multiply. We know B inverse value. What is B inverse? Here it is there. Minus 1, 9 minus 8 minus 7, 6 into, what is A inverse value? What is A inverse value? A inverse value, how much is there? 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. Multiply. Minus 1 by 2 outside. 9 5s are 45 plus 16. 9 7s are minus 63 minus 24. 7 5s are 35 minus 12. Correct now? 7 7s are 49 plus 18. Minus 1 by 2 into 61 minus 87 minus 47, 67. Same answer we got now. Therefore, AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Understood? Very rare this type of question they will give for 5 marks, 3 marks. Got the 3 marks kodabodu, but until now they didn't given. Just for understand, right? Okay. Easy only, my dear students. Just I find out A inverse, B inverse step. I both multiplied B inverse into A inverse. AB I multiplied, I find out inverse. Both answers are equal. Do it. Do it slowly, dear students. Any doubt, anyone? Completed. Can I move to the next question?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
No problem. Too slow. Wait for it. Complete. Can I go to the next question? Next question model they model ಬೇರೆ model very important CETL ಏನೋ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ next question ಅಷ್ಟು important many times CETL ಏನೋ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು next question ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ it's looking like very big but it is easy we'll discuss okay can I start 13th question everyone are you ready
Yes, sir.
excuse me Before explaining 13th question, 2-3 very important things already we discussed in Max's chapter. Same thing I'll repeat to you once again. You know what is that means? A inverse into A is I. You know that? A square into A inverse is A. A inverse into I is A inverse. A square into I is A square. You know all these notations? Matrix is multiplying with their inverse, you are getting I. A square into A inverse is A. As A cube into A inverse, how much? Anyone say? A cube into A inverse.
A square.
Correct answer. A square. Like that. Write these notations first. Then we'll start the big question. Write notations. Now you can see question number 13. What they given? Question number 13 they given like this. A is equal to 3, 1 minus 1, 2. And they're asking show that A square minus 5A plus 7A equal to 0. Hence find A inverse. Okay. Two things we need to do first. First we need to show that this one and also we need to find A inverse. Okay. First A inverse find out mana, idu prove mana. First idu prove mana. Easy irutte. A square means A into A. 3, 1 minus 1, 2 into 3, 1 minus 1, 2. Multiply. 3, 3 is 9 minus 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 2. Minus 3 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 4. 8, 5, minus 5, 3. This is A square. A square minus 5A plus 7I. What is A square value? 8, 5 minus 5, 3. Minus 5A. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Plus 7I. 7007. 8 minus 15 plus 7. How much? 5 minus 5 plus 0. Minus 5 plus 5 plus 0. Minus 5 minus 3 minus 10 plus 7. Just put the value 0, 0, 0, 0. Banda? Therefore, A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0. This is one part of the question completed. Second part of the question, they are asking to find the inverse of A. How to find inverse? A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. 7I is equal to 5A minus A square. Just I transfer this to the right hand side. Multiply both sides with A inverse. 5 into A inverse into A inverse into A square. A inverse into I is A inverse. A inverse into A is I. A inverse into A square is A. 7 A inverse is equal to 5I. 5005 minus A 31 minus 1 2. Subtract. 7 into A inverse is equal to 7 transfer this side 1 by 7 into 5 minus 3 2 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 is plus 1 5 minus 2 3. Shortcut ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ A inverse find out ಮಾಡಿ shortcut 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus C ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 2s are 6 minus r minus plus 7 6 plus 1 7 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ D 2 minus B minus 1 minus C 1 A 3 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ if you do in displacer also A inverse same if you do shortcut also same okay I repeat once again A square minus 5A cancel right hand side 5A minus A square both sides multiply with A inverse into I A inverse into A inverse into A square A 5A value 5005 A value subtract 7 transfer right hand side you will get answer understand do it everyone do it do it understand everyone complete everyone can I move next question Dear students, yes or no? Complete. I'll move to the next question.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Next question ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇದೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಡು ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. A is equal to, for the matrix, question number 14, 3 1 minus 1 2 3 2 1 1, sorry, 3 2 1 1. Find the numbers A and B. Find A and B, small letters. A square plus A into capital A plus B into I equal to 0. We need to find the small a, small b values. Okay. This is a given question. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತೆ. BI is equal to minus A square minus EAA. Multiply both sides with A inverse. Minus A inverse into A minus A into A inverse into A. A inverse into I is A inverse. A inverse into A is I. One second. A inverse into A square. A. A inverse into A I. A I. B into A inverse is equal to minus A minus A. So what is A inverse value say? 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus C. No? Find value. 3 ones are 3 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 1 3. 3 minus 2 1. So 1 minus 2 minus 1 3. Substitute here. Multiply this with B. B minus 2B minus B 3B is equal to minus A minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus AI A 0 0 A. B minus 2B minus B 3B is equal to minus 3 minus A minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus C. Equate like terms. The two terms equate ಮಾಡಿ. Minus 2B is equal to minus 2, B is 1. The two terms equate ಮಾಡಿ. 3B is equal to minus 1 minus C. Substitute. 3 ones are 3 is equal to minus 1 minus C. Interchange. A is equal to minus 4. A minus 4, B 1. Understand what I explained? First ನಾನು A inverse find out ಮಾಡಿದೆ. A inverse I substituted here. Both sides multiply with A inverse. Substitute here. In place of A value, in place of I 1 0 0 1. A means A 0 0 I 0 A. Subtract. Equate like terms. You are getting small a value as well as small b value. Understand? All are wake up mode or sleeping mode? Dear students.
Wake up mood, sir. ಸರ್ ಅದೇನು ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ತೋರ್ಸೋದು ಬೇಡವಾ ಸರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಐ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0.
They didn't ask show that, no? They're
Sir,
asking just here you don't know A value, you don't know B value, how you can show? Not required.
Yes, sir.
Understood everyone? Very important question. Anyone having any doubt? Too slowly. 2 days ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay. Can I move to the next question, everyone? Can I move to next question, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They given for the matrix show that AQ minus O, hence find A inverse. It's like a 5-1 question in the matrices, you did know. Same model question and also find the A inverse. Super time taking go. Question number 15, A is given as 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. Show that A cube minus 6A squared plus 5A plus 11A is equal to 0. Hence find A inverse. First we need to prove this, then you can find A inverse. Okay. If you want A cube means first we want A square. Reverse burden. We can start from reverse. 11A first we find. What is 11A? 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0. Correct? Next. What is 5A? 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are minus 15. 5 2s are 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. Next find A square. What is A square? A into A, no? 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3 into 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. Multiply. First row into first column. 1 plus 1 plus 2. First row into second column. 1 plus 2 minus 1. First row into third column. 1 minus 3 plus 3. Second row into first column. 1 plus 2 minus 6. Second row, second column. 1 plus 4 plus 3. Second row into third column. 1 minus 6 minus 9. Third row into first column. 2 minus 1 plus 6. Third row into second column. 2 minus 2 minus 3. Third row into third column. 2 plus 3 plus 9. How much? 4, 2, 1. Minus 3, 8, minus 14. 7, minus 3, 14. This is A square value. A cube means A square into A, no? 4 to 1, minus 3, 8, minus 14, 7 minus 3, 14, into, what is A value? 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. Can you multiply and say A cube? A cube multiply gottalla ellargu. See, that is equal to first row into first column 4 plus 2 plus 2. First row into second column 4 plus 4 minus 1. First row into third column 4 minus 6 plus 3. Second row into first column minus 3 plus 8 minus 14 to the 28. Second row into second column minus 3 plus 16 plus 14. Second row into third column minus 3 minus 24 minus 42. Third row into first column 7 minus 3 plus 28. third row into second column, 7 minus 6 minus 14. Third row into third column, 7 plus 9 plus 42. Start with 8, 7, 1, minus 23, 27, 4 to 6, 3, 9, 69, 32, minus 13, 58. This is 8 cube. Everyone got same value, please check it. The last step I'll write. What is 6a square value here? 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are minus 18, 6 8s are 48, 6 14s are minus 84, 6 7s are 42, 6 3s are minus 18, 6 14s are 84. The last step is a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i. What I'm writing, it's visible now. A cube value 8 minus 6a minus 24 plus 5a plus 5 plus 11. Next, second term. A cube 7 minus 12 plus 5a plus 5 plus 0. Third term 1 minus plus 5a plus 5 plus 0. Minus 23 minus 6a square minus or minus plus 18 5a plus 5 plus 0. 27 minus 48 plus 11 plus 0. Minus 69 minus of minus plus 84 minus 15 plus 0. Next 32 a cube minus 6a square minus 42 plus 10 plus 0. Next minus 30 minus of minus plus 80 minus 5 plus 0. Next last term 58 minus 84 plus 15 plus 11. Della 0 tane, that is equal to 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Prove now. First part of the problem completed, dear students. Second part we need to find A inverse. I will say first you find this. First do this. Do it first this one. Completed. Hey, everyone is back up now. Listening now, class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is already you did in matrices chapter, no same model question.
Yes, sir.
The second part of the question, they are asking to find A inverse. Can you know this one?
Yes, sir.
What is the second part of the question, anyone?
Sir, to find out the A inverse, sir.
A inverse.
A inverse. How to find the A inverse, we will see. A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I. 11I is equal to, transfer right hand side, 6A square minus A cube minus 5A. Multiply both sides with A inverse. A inverse into I is A inverse. A inverse into A square A. A inverse into A cube A square. I. 6A minus A square minus 5A. Later we will transfer. Okay, no issues. What is 6A value? 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are minus 8. 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are minus 6, 6 3s are 8. Can anyone say what is A square value? We already find out A square value now. Say A square value.
Sir, 4, 2, 1,
Okay.
minus 3, 8, minus 14, 7, minus 3, 14.
Good. Minus 5i, 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. 11 A inverse is equal to 6 minus 4 minus 5, 6 minus 2 minus 0, 6 minus 1 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 12 minus 8 minus 5, minus 18 plus 14 minus 0, 12 minus 7 minus 0, minus 6 plus 3 minus 0, 18 minus 14 minus 5. 11 A inverse is equal to minus 3, 4, 5, 9, minus 1, minus 4, 5, minus 3, minus 1. Final answer A inverse is equal to 1 by 11 into minus 3, 4, 5, 9 minus 1 minus 4, 5 minus 3 minus. Understand? Do it. Any doubt? No, we did not record it. Who stopped recording? And recording on ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ ವೀರೇಶ್. ಯಾರು extra